Are you a beginner gardener looking for an easy and productive way to grow your own vegetables? Look no further than growing cabbage and thymes. Cabbage is a hardy vegetable that grows well in cooler climates, making it a great choice for many gardeners. Using old tires is an affordable and eco-friendly way to create a raised bed for your cabbage. To start, fill each tire with soil and plant your cabbage seedling. Be sure to space them out evenly and give them plenty of water. As the plants grow, you will want to fertilize them regularly and keep them well watered. Cabbage is a heavy feeder, so be sure to use a high nitrogen fertilizer to keep them healthy. In just a few short months, your cabbage plants will be ready to harvest. And the best part, growing cabbage and thymes allows for a high yield in a small space, so you can enjoy plenty of fresh cabbage for salads. Once you have harvested your first batch of cabbage, don't be afraid to plant more in the same times. Simply add more soil and start the process over again. And when it's time to harvest, simply use a sharp knife to cut the cabbage at the base. Rinse it off and enjoy your fresh, homegrown produce. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, consider growing cabbage and thymes for an easy and productive way to enjoy fresh vegetables all seasons long. Thanks for watching.